Hi, I'm Judy Weston, and this is my husband Tony, and we're here to invite you to a special event, a couples conference, next week, Friday and Saturday, September 10th and 11th. It's going to be held and sponsored by Second Baptist Church. And Tony, why don't you tell them the details?
It's called Marriage First Class or Coach. And it's a fun thing. We have been able to share this in several different places around the country. And so, Judy, I just want to ask you, okay, when we're thinking about this thing of first class, what are we really talking about here?
We're talking about raising the caliber of your marriage, not just settling for what you already have, but wanting something more. And Tony and I are very excited about the tools that we share and put into the hands of couples. And don't you feel like it gives them a starting place?
Yeah, and we really want people to have a takeaway, something that they can really
Right.
take home with them and be able to use.
And we feel like this conference does that you can go home with some ideas and specific things that you can do to help make your marriage a first-class marriage.
The venue is located near the corner of Dave Ward and Ferris in Conway. You enter from Ferris, and it's a great new facility, and it's going to be a great opportunity just to get together with other believers and learn more about marriage and learn more about how we can go first class instead of coach. It starts on Friday evening at 7 and goes until 9, and then on Saturday morning we'll go from 9 until 12:30. We'll have some snacks there for everybody.
Always.
Yeah, and it's just going to be a great time. You will need to register for the event. It's only $15 per couple, but you call the church office at 327-6565 in order to register. So we hope that we'll see you there, and we're looking
Yes.
forward to it.